Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I have a brand new KDP niche I'm gonna give away to you. Plus, I'm gonna show you the interior, how to create the interior, how to create a cover, all of this and more. Plus, I'm gonna show you how to get the exact same assets I'm using for this niche so that you can go out and create your own KDP book on your own, okay, and earn passively online without a website, without email marketing or complex traffic methods. Very simple to do. One of the best ways for a newbie to earn online. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And with that, let's begin. Okay, first things first is the niche reveal. Okay, I found a really cool niche, a really cool themed niche, the superhero niche. It has a ton of different keywords, and all these keywords have a lot of search traffic. This one here I'm giving away for free. Coloring books for kids ages 4 to 8, superhero, okay, 4 years old to 8 years old. And the search volume is over 2,000, which is great news. A lot of people are searching for this keyword. But if we go to Amazon, we can put in the keyword here under the books category, and we can find same keyword, coloring books for kids ages 4 to 8, superhero. It only has a results yield of 1,000. This is low comp, okay? This is low competition. So there's a lot of keyword search. People are looking for this. People want to buy this. And there's very little, relatively speaking, very little competition, okay? This is great news for us. This means we have high chances of putting our low content coloring book in front of these people looking for this keyword. Now, how do you create one of these books? Very simple, okay? You want to go to Canva, okay? There's many ways to do it. I like to use Canva, okay? And you can, it's a free tool. I mean, the tool, the part that I use is free, okay? I don't use any of the paid parts of Canva. I just use the free version, okay? You want to go to the US letter document size, which is 8.5 by 11 inch. That's US letter size. You want to click on that, and we're going to create the inside of the book, okay? Now, there are several public domain sites out there like Pixabay, but I highly recommend you get an image pack of whatever theme you're using, okay? In this example, again, superhero. So if you want more pro assets, more pro images for these superhero themed books, make sure you check out the link below, and I'll have more information about that for you, okay? So what I'm going to do here in the upload section is just upload whatever images I have. Bunch of images of me there. One second. I'm going to upload the images I have into this upload section here, and then I can use them within Canva. So I have about 30 different superhero images that I'm going to use for this book, okay? Now, the KDP Amazon network wants you to have at least 24 pages. I highly recommend you have double that, so 40 pages. I have 30 images here, but I'm going to show you in this video how to repurpose these images so you can create more pages, okay? So, first thing I want to do is create 30 of these different superhero characters, right? Just create 30 pages. Very simply, you dump each one into the blank canvas, right? And you know, again, Canva is very easy to use. Just drag and drop, okay? And you want to stay within this pinkish purplish rectangle that's around the canvas here, okay? So you're gonna blow it up. You're gonna center it, okay? Very simple, right? Anybody can do this. You, me, and your grandma. We can all do this. It's not difficult. You want to click on text here. You might want to name your superheroes to give added value, right? So let's name this guy Super Dave, for example, okay? And let's actually, if you want to change the font, you can change the font right over here. You can change the color right over here. Let's make it into a dark gray. And actually, let's clone this, okay? So we have the text Super Dave, but let's change the name, right? So we're gonna swap out this Super Dave character for this owl looking. Again, I have these assets down below. You can get these assets. I'm also going to give you information on how to use this exact keyword tool that I'm using here. All that information down below. Anyways, here is another character, right? This owl looking bird type of superhero. I'm going to blow it up just like I did with Super Dave. And I'm going to name this Owl Boy. Okay, you can be more inventive, of course, right? Owl Boy. Clone this and do it again, right? We got this Aquaman type of character here. You see a fish. This person has the power to control the aquatic life, it seems. Okay, so we're gonna blow this person, this character up, center it, and name this character, right? So let's name this character. We can't name this character Aquaman. Aqua Boy. How about Aqua Boy? Okay, Aqua Boy. That works. Okay, we're gonna put a little hyphen there. Cool. And proceed, right? You know, do the same thing for all 30 characters. Again, these characters are down below. Okay. What you can do to, you know, create 40 or more pages is to repurpose these different images, right? So if I click on this duplicate box here, and let's say I created all 30 of these different superhero characters, let's turn this into a choose your favorite, or maybe choose your hero. Choose your hero. Choose your hero. Okay, and we can add multiple characters in here, right? We can add this little star superhero. We can flip it around, make them face that way, turn them that way, you know, shrink them up, bring them towards the top, add another one, add this flying girl. Okay, and that's another, by the way, popular niche in this theme is superhero coloring books for girls. There's another freebie for you. And she's flying around. Put this hero up here. Okay, and you get the idea. You can choose your favorite superhero. Choose your hero. Okay, and color your hero, for example. Right. Another thing we can do is click duplicate button. How many heroes? How many heroes? Turn this into a counting game. How many heroes? Sorry, ES. How many heroes? Make this into a counting game. Add this superhero here. We got 4 heroes, and you can quickly see how you can turn an image. How you can turn 30 images into a 100-page book, right? If you use your imagination, you can have a profitable book. So we have our keyword. We have our interior. Again, you want your interior to have at least 40 pages. Now we need a cover. Okay, the cover is the most important thing, arguably. Actually, your keyword and your cover is the most important thing about your book. Okay, really important to remember. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is show you how to create an enticing cover. Okay, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to repurpose this monster truck cover book into a superhero cover book, because it has a lot of the elements I want in my superhero coloring book cover. Okay, so let me explain first. If this is the first time watching, you want your file size, lovely the lovely. That's a funny title for my file. Anyways, you want your cover size to be 17.84 inch by 11.25 inch. Why? Because we are going to create our front and the back of our cover, of our book cover, okay? In one swoop, okay? Which is really cool, okay? And this again is gonna help us advertise our book. You don't wanna get this wrong, okay? Your keyword and your cover are extremely important, okay? Arguably the most important thing. Okay, so actually I'm gonna show you how to do it from start to finish. So I'm going to get rid, actually I'm going to repeat this. I don't want to lose this template. That's another cool thing about creating books on the KDP platform or for Etsy or or on with printables, is that you can reuse a lot of these templates time and time again. Okay, you'll find a lot of repetition. You'll find a lot of things that you've already done that you can just reuse. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get rid of. Because I want to show you from start to finish. I want to get rid of these different elements here. Okay, and I just want to keep this. Here's the cover, and here is the text. Okay, the text I got off of Canva here. Okay, so I'm gonna name this after our keyword, and our keyword is coloring books for kids. Okay, so let's make that coloring. Hover over it, and I'm gonna group it together. Click the group button. Let me show you again. Click this group button. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. Check this out. Really simple, really easy. I'm gonna switch it up just like that. Okay, and I'm going to ungroup, and I'm going to move the text only. Okay, really cool stuff. Coloring book for kids. Again, this is really easy stuff, nothing difficult to do here. Let's stretch that out like that. Coloring book for kids 4 to 8. Okay, and I am going to change up the background. So this black box, I'm going to shrink it down a little bit and write in superhero. And we want to make that a little bit smaller because it's a little bit out of the boundary section there. Let me make that 72. No, let's go away. Let's go 100. Let's go 140. No, 120. Okay, cool. 120. And we're gonna bring it down like that. Okay, center it like that. Now we need some superheroes. Okay, so I added some superheroes with color in them, so I can add them to my cover here. I'm gonna actually get rid of this little tail thing here and have this superhero expand to the right here like that. Her cape's in the way a little bit. Okay, like that. Be creative. I got this superhero here, like that. So we have our front done. Coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8, superhero. Very easy to do. Now we also want something in the back here. So actually what I'm gonna do here is clone all of this. Okay, clone all of this, duplicate it, and add it over here. Okay, just like that. And I am going to move this around, and I'm going to talk about what I have within the book, right? So I have, let's say, 30 heroes, 30 activities. Actually, let's make everything a little bit smaller. Let's go with 96 here. 30 times the fun. And an exclamation point. Let's make that bigger. Let's change the color, why don't we? Let's make this a bright green. Let's line it up. And let's add one more superhero with color so that everything looks nice. Once you're done creating your cover, you just want to go to the download section here, go to PDF print, and download your cover. Same thing with your interior, right? Once you're done creating your interior, you're gonna want to click download, and you want PDF print, and you want to download all of the pages into one book. And once you're done doing all of that, you got your cover, you got your keywords, you got your interior, you want to go to the Amazon KDP site, create an account if you haven't opened an account yet. It's all free, nothing, you pay nothing. You don't need a website for this. You don't need email marketing. You don't need any complex traffic methods. It's all one place. You sign up and you upload your book. If you need help uploading your book, again, I have more assets, more guides, more tutorials down below. Check out the link and let me know what you think. Be good, take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.